Good evening, sir. Welcome to Auto World. My name is Anna. Are you looking for a particular type of car today, or would you just like to look around?
Good evening, Anna. My name is Mark. I am looking for a specific car. I saw an advertisement on your website for a blue Volkswagen Golf. The ad said it is a 2021 model.
Ah, yes, the Blue Golf. It is a fantastic car. It just arrived a few days ago. I can see you have good taste. You are right, it is a 2021 model. Are you looking to replace your current car?
I am. My old car is getting very unreliable and expensive to repair. I need something that is safe, dependable, and also fuel efficient for my daily commute to work. I have a budget of around 18,000 euros.
I think you have come to the right place. The VW Golf is one of the most reliable and popular cars in Europe, and this particular one is in excellent condition and falls within your budget.
That is good to hear. I have never bought a used car from a dealership before, so I am a little nervous. I have a lot of questions.
Please, ask as many questions as you like. It is a big decision, and my job is to make sure you have all the information you need to feel completely confident. Shall we go and take a closer look at the car? It is right over here. So, here it is. The 2021 Volkswagen Golf in dark blue metallic. It is a beautiful color, isn't it?
It really is. It looks even better in person than in the photos. The body looks very clean.
Yes. Before we put any car up for sale, our workshop performs a full inspection and a professional cleaning. I always encourage my customers to do their own walk-around inspection first. Take your time and look at the car from all angles.
That is a good idea. I am looking for any major scratches or dents in the paint. I can see a couple of very tiny stone chips on the front bumper, but that is normal, I suppose.
Exactly. A used car will always have some small signs of wear. We call that normal wear and tear. What is important is to check for any signs of major damage or accidents. This car has a clean history with no accidents.
That is the most important thing to me. The paint looks very shiny and consistent on all the panels. What about the tires? How do I check them?
The tires are a very important safety feature. You can check the tread depth. These tires are almost new. We replaced them during our inspection. They have plenty of tread left, which means they have a lot of grip.
So I will not need to buy new tires soon? That is a big saving.
That is right. These are all-season tires as well, so they are suitable for both summer and mild winter conditions. Shall we take a look at the interior now?
Yes, please. I spend all my time inside the car, so the interior is very important to me.
I will just unlock it for you. Please, have a seat in the driver's seat and see how it feels.
Thank you. The seats are very comfortable and supportive. I am checking the upholstery for any stains or tears. It all looks very clean. It smells clean, too.
Yes, as I mentioned, all our cars receive a full interior detailing. This model has a lot of nice features. You can see the large touchscreen in the center for the infotainment system.
Infotainment. That means the radio and navigation?
Exactly. It has a radio, Bluetooth
for connecting your phone to play music and make hands-free calls, and it is also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also has air conditioning to keep you cool in the summer.
These are all great modern features. My old car just had a simple radio. Can I check the mileage?
Of course, the mileage is the total number of kilometers the car has driven. You can see it on the dashboard when you turn on the ignition. The number on the odometer is 45,000 kilometers.
45,000 kilometers for a 4-year-old car? Is that good?
Yes, that is considered quite low mileage for its age. It means the previous owner did not drive it excessively. It suggests the car has had a relatively easy life so far.
The car looks great inside and out. I am very impressed so far. Would it be possible to look under the hood at the engine? I am not a mechanic, but I would like to see it.
Absolutely. That is a very wise thing to do. I will just pop the hood for you.
Thank you. Okay. As I said, I do not know much about engines, but it does look very clean in here. There are no signs of any oil leaks or damage.
That is correct. Our mechanics perform a detailed check of the engine, the battery, and all the fluid levels. But you are right. You do not have to be a mechanic to check the most important thing.
What is that?
The most important document for any used car is its service history book. In Austria, we call it the Serviceheft. I have it right here for you.
What does this book show?
This book is like the car's medical record. Every time the car had a regular service or oil change, the mechanic put a stamp and a date in this book. A complete service history, like this one has, shows that the previous owner took very good care of the car.
I see. So it proves that the car was well maintained. This is very reassuring. What is this other sticker on the windshield? The one with the numbers on it.
That is the Pickel sticker. In Austria, every car must pass a safety and emissions inspection every year. This sticker proves that the car has passed its most recent inspection. It is legally required for the car to be on the road. This car has a brand new Pickel, so you do not have to worry about it for a whole year.
A full service history and a new safety inspection. These are very strong positive points for me. I am becoming more and more interested in this car.
I am glad to hear that. It really is an excellent example. But the most important part of buying any car is how it feels to you when you are driving it.
I was just about to ask, is it possible for me to take it for a test drive?
Of course. We insist on it. We would never sell a car without the customer test driving it first. It is the only way to know if it is the right car for you.
That is great. What do I need to do?
I just need to see your driver's license, and I will make a quick copy of it for our insurance. Then I will get the dealer license plates and the keys, and we can go.
Okay, here is my license. Where will we go for the drive?
We have a standard test drive route that is perfect for getting a good feel for the car. We will start by driving through some of the local city streets with lower speeds and some traffic. This allows you to test the brakes, the steering, and the visibility.
That sounds good. And what after that?
Then we will take a short drive on the Schnellstraße, the nearby expressway. This will give you a chance to see how the car performs at higher speeds, how the engine sounds, and how it feels on a bigger road. The whole route takes about 20 minutes. Okay, Mark. You can adjust your seat and mirrors to make sure you are comfortable. Whenever you are ready, you can start the engine.
Okay. The engine started right up. It sounds very quiet and smooth. I am pulling out onto the road now.
Take your time. As you are driving, I want you to pay attention to a few things. First, how does the steering feel? Is it light and responsive?
The steering feels great. It is very easy to turn, much easier than my old car. Now I am approaching some traffic lights, so I will test the brakes. The brakes feel very strong and responsive. The car stops very smoothly.
That is what you want to feel. A good, firm brake pedal. Now we are turning onto the expressway. You can accelerate a little more here to get up to speed.
Okay, I am accelerating to about 100 kilometers per hour. The engine feels powerful enough. It is not a sports car, but it has good acceleration for merging into traffic.
And how is the noise level inside the car at this speed? Can you hear a lot of wind or road noise?
No, it is surprisingly quiet in here. I can hear the radio perfectly, and we can have this conversation without shouting. It feels like a very solid and well-built car. The suspension is also very comfortable. It is not bumpy at all.
We are back at the dealership. You can just park the car right back here where we started.
Okay, I will just put it in park and turn off the engine. Well, that was a fantastic test drive.
I am so glad you enjoyed it. What are your overall impressions? How did the car feel to you?
I am very, very happy with it. It felt safe, solid, and comfortable. The engine was quiet, the brakes were strong, and it was easy and pleasant to drive in the city and on the faster road. It is a big improvement over my old car.
It sounds like it ticked all the boxes for you. It is a car that makes you feel confident when you are behind the wheel.
It really does. I think I can say that I am no longer just interested in this car. I am now seriously considering buying it. I think this is the right car for me.
That is wonderful to hear. I also think it would be a perfect fit for your needs. It is reliable, economical, and a pleasure to drive.
So what is the next step in the process?
The next step is to go inside to my office. We can sit down and discuss the price and the other details of the sale.
Please have a seat. Can I get you a coffee or a glass of water?
A glass of water would be lovely. Thank you. So the price on the car's windshield is listed as 17,900 euros. Is that the final price, or is the price negotiable?
That is a very fair question. The listed price is our starting point. We price our cars very competitively based on the market value, the mileage, and the condition. However, we are always willing to have a discussion.
I understand. I have done some research online, and the price seems fair for this model. But I still have to ask if there is any flexibility.
I appreciate your honesty. Before we talk about the numbers, I want to make sure you know what is included in that price. It is not just the car itself.
Oh? What else is included?
All of our cars come with a full 1-year dealership warranty. This is very important when buying a used car.
A 1-year warranty. What does that cover?
It covers all the major mechanical components of the car: the engine, the transmission, the electronics. If any of those parts fail in the first year of your ownership due to a mechanical fault, we will repair it for you, free of charge. It gives you peace of mind.
That is a huge benefit. A warranty gives me a lot of confidence in the purchase. Knowing that I am protected from any unexpected, expensive repairs for a whole year is very reassuring.
The one-year warranty is a very strong selling point. It shows that you are confident in the quality of the car.
We are. We only sell cars that meet our high standards. So, regarding the price, you have seen the car, you have driven it, and you know it comes with a full warranty. Are you prepared to make an offer?
I am. I appreciate that the listed price is fair. However, my budget is a little tight. I was hoping you might be able to sell the car for a price closer to 17,500 euros.
17,500. I understand that you are working with a budget. Let me see what I can do. I will just need to quickly speak with my manager. Can you give me 2 minutes?
Of course. Take your time.
Okay, Mark. I have spoken with my manager. 17,500 is a little lower than we were hoping for. However, because you are a serious buyer and ready to make a deal today, he has authorized me to accept your offer.
Really? You will accept 17,500? That is fantastic news. Thank you.
You are very welcome. We want to make a deal that works for both of us. Now, I have one more idea. I cannot lower the price any further, but to show our goodwill, I would like to include a set of winter tires with the car, free of charge.
A free set of winter tires? Wow! I know those are very expensive and they are legally required in Austria during the winter. I was going to have to buy a set in a few months anyway. That is an incredibly generous offer.
We're happy to do it. So, do we have a deal? 17,500 euros for the car, including the warranty and a full set of winter tires?
Yes, we absolutely have a deal. You can shake on that. Thank you so much.
Congratulations on your new car, Mark. I am so happy we could make a deal that you are happy with.
I am more than happy. I am thrilled. I feel like I got a great car at a very fair price with some amazing extras. So what happens now? What is the final part of the process?
The final part is just the paperwork. It is all very straightforward. I will prepare the purchase contract now. It will have all the details of the car, the final price we agreed on, and all the warranty information. I will need you to read it carefully and then sign it.
Of course. A contract is important for a big purchase like this.
After you have signed the contract, you will need to arrange your car insurance. You can call an insurance company today or tomorrow morning. You will need to give them the car's details to get the insurance policy started.
So I need to get insurance before I can pick up the car. That makes sense.
Yes, and the very last step is the vehicle registration. We can actually help you with that. We have a service here that takes care of all the official paperwork to register the car in your name and get your new license plates. There is a small fee for the service, but it saves you a lot of time and stress.
That sounds like a wonderful service. I would definitely like to use that.
Perfect. So, why don't we schedule a time for you to come back tomorrow afternoon? By then, you will have had time to arrange the insurance, you can sign the contract, we can handle the registration, and you can drive your new car home. How does that sound?
That sounds like a perfect plan. I am so excited. Thank you again, Anna, for making this whole process so easy and transparent. You have been a fantastic help.